In this demo, we're going to look at how to insert a rollover image in Captivate 8. First, I'm going to insert the image that will be visible when the slide plays. After I select Media Image, the standard dialog box will appear that will let me choose the image that I wish to place on the canvas. Next, I'm going to click on the Objects button and choose Rollover Image. Now I'll navigate to the location where that image is saved and place it on the canvas. If I look at my timeline and I look on the canvas, I'll see that there are actually 3 objects on the stage. There's the original image that I inserted. Here's the most interesting man in the world. Then the image I want to replace with that when someone mouses over the hotspot area. And then the hotspot area itself. So the task here is basically to stack these one on top of the other with the hotspot on top. So you'll have your original image first, then the swapped out image, and then the hotspot. You can change the properties of the hotspot itself by looking at the Properties Inspector on the right, and you'll want to set the opacity for the fill down to 0 if you want it to be invisible, completely invisible, and probably remove the stroke by setting the stroke quality to 0 as well. Now you have basically an invisible hotspot that will swap images when the user mouses over the top of it. Your initial visible image, and the image that replaces it once you mouse over the top of it. Okay, let's review. To begin, insert the image that you want to appear when the viewer first sees the screen. Then, insert the rollover image from the Objects button. Size and position the 2 images and the hotspot, and then set the fill and the stroke properties for the hotspot, and you'll be all set.